guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi if you already don't know, and yes, some people call me Shante. So I'm back again with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be getting on ready, showing you guys my skincare routine, how I take off my makeup and what I do before I go to bed. In today's video I'm going to be using all skincare products from a Nigerian brand called EWAMI Essentials, owned by a friend of mine, very good friend of mine, and our products are amazing. I'm not just saying this because she's my friend, even though I'm very lazy and I'm quite not consistent one with anything skincare and anything routine. This is a product that even when I use once and then I don't use it for a long time, I still see the effect. I'm constantly using the soap, I'm constantly using the scrubs and all of that, and I've seen like great improvements in my skin. You can check out reviews on our products. Everybody has something good to say about their purely organic, Nigerian made, done by herself, no chemicals, and they are amazing. Trust me guys on this one. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the full range of the skincare products, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah. And what more, if she knows you're from me, then you'll be getting more discounts. Yeah. So first of all, I'm going to take off this full face of makeup, and I'm going to start by taking off my lashes. Ooh, yeah. So to take off the major part of this makeup, what I normally do is that I don't go straight to using soap and water. I normally get a piece of clean wipes and some baby oil. This is the Nelle baby oil. I use any oil, even coconut oil, any oil will do. And then I spray the wipes with the oil. And I just use this to take off my makeup. This makes it easy, it makes the makeup glide away. I won't have to use too many wipes because the makeup is just going to glide off my face with the oil. So now that the major part of the makeup is gone, I'm going to take another clean wipe and just wipe off the excess oil that is on my face, whatever left over of makeup I might have. So now that the makeup is off, or the most part of it is off, because I'm sure that they are still ready to use on my face, I normally go in with the EWAMI Essentials Local Fresh Soap. This is a black soap that is rich in camwood and licorice extract. So I normally use this to wash my face. So what I do is I leave this on for about 5 minutes, and then I wash off with some water. Then I'll be right back. So next I'm going to be going into the EWAMI Essentials Cleansing Honey. This is rich in turmeric and it's going to further help me to clean out my pores of any residue of makeup that might be left. So I'm just really like massaging this into my skin and all my problem areas. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this off with some water, and I'll be right back. Next on the list is the EWAMI Essentials Balancing Face Toner. This is rich in apple cider vinegar. What it does is that it closes the pores that we open with the scrub, and it balances the pH of the face. I'm going to shake it and apply some on a cotton wool, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. I'm going to change cotton wool and go over this step again, just to be double good. So I'm going to let this further dry and sink into my face. I'll leave it for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to move to the next step. Okay, so last, because of all the products that we have applied on the face, there is a need to like moisturize the skin and even out the skin tone. So the EWAMI Essentials Face Cream 2, which is rich in mulberry extract, is going to do just that. So I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. For some reason this pump isn't working, so I'm just going to be opening it up and using. So I'm just going to rub this till it disappears into my skin. And yes, my skin feels so good and moisturized right now. The products weren't harsh, they didn't burn me, and my face is super soft and smooth So I'm going to moisturize my lips with some lip balm before. Okay, this is not a lip balm, it's a lip gloss. And then I'm ready for bed with my super soft skin, thanks to EWAMI Essentials. So that's pretty much how I get to use the EWAMI Essentials nighttime skincare routine. You can do this in the morning, during the day, whenever, but most of the time I do mine at night when I'm ready for bed and when I take off all that makeup, so that I'm sure that there's no more residue on my face and my face is properly taken care of and pampered, and it rejuvenates itself the entire night. Right in the description box, I'm going to have the website and the contact details of EWAMI Essentials, so you can just run along, go right to purchase your purely organic skincare products. She also has hair care products, spa products, and all of those beautiful things that are 100% organic and Nigerian made. I like very good skin. I'm sure you do too, so don't jones on this one. So I hope you enjoyed getting on ready with me and the demo of my EWAMI Essentials skin care products. I'm going to leave you guys right here because I can't take you to bed. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, click on that subscribe button if you already aren't subscribed to my channel, leave a comment for me, share this video with your family, friends, and everyone that likes good skin. So I guess I'll see you in my next video. Until then,